This short tutorial will look at how you can create section views on a isometric so that you can see inside the enclosure. So we start by using the broken out section view, and the first step is to select the view that you wish to draw on. That takes us into the sketch mode, and then we can specify an area about which we want to cut away. So I can use any of my normal tools. I'm just going to do a draw, and I'll just sketch in an area around here, and then we close out of the broken out section view tool, and in our other view you can see that we can specify how far down we want that cut to go. So I'm just interested in the sort of top portion, and the final step is to choose the view that is going to get created on. So our isometric in this case. So if we zoom in on that, you can see that we can see inside the enclosure now and see some of the internal workings, which gives us a little bit more information available. So the most complicated thing about this command is the way that you can edit that section. So you just need to right click and go to properties on the isometric view, and there's an option here to show broken out section view profiles. So we click that on, and then from there we can just select the section view and go edit and make any changes you want, and then go back to our properties and turn that off when we've finished.